Another brand new ROM video on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. This time we got, what do you say, the extensions, meanwhile extended ROM for Redmi Note 10 Pro, and it's been the latest Android 13 based update, and it comes with the very best, best amount of customizations in this ROM. We are equipped with the 5th January security update, as far as you can see, with the build date Monday Feb 6th, with the kernel version of Pikachu kernel. As you can see, that this is the overall look and feel what I can give you over this MSM extended ROM. Now this is what is the settings UI. First of all, let us dive into the customization part of this ROM. So first of all, if you click on, you get the ambient decor, and from here you can enable music ticker from here, and the edge lighting, but in nowadays I am not seeing that edge lighting is working. So, and here is the ambient OOD customization, and you can select as your preference that you want to use, but it totally depends on you. Here animation comes and everything is working in this animation section. Not a single setting is not working as not is there. Now talking about there's a gestures option, and is the AOSP based option is there. You get 3-finger screenshot option that is working perfectly. And after all, let us dive into notifications options. Here is the heads up option. You can do checkout heads up from here. And talking about much more, here you get the read ticker. Whenever UI restarts, you get enabled, and from here your notification count is enabled. As you can see that I have total 546 Telegram messages, so it has been showing up there. So if you don't know, I am on Telegram also. You can follow on my Telegram channel, so get notified whenever I post a video and give any update so far. Now talking about much more, there is not much more is there. Power menu, here it comes with the option of bunch of things. As you can see here, from here you can directly go to settings also like this, and it totally depends on you what type of things that you want so far. And there is all the options enable, and you can see that everything is working. Now talking about the status bar option, there is clock and date option. I have customized few of the things, and all the things were working perfectly fine, so you can do check that out according to your uses. And this is a theme room. From here you can enable dark theme, and the dark theme is got enabled perfectly working fine. And here you can select which type of dark theme you want, like dark gray, extended clear system, want fully black, it's not fully black, material ocean, here you can see that, or our favorite pitch black system. As you can see that it creates fully black. Now I don't like dark mode all the times, but you can use that. Here is the Android 13 based monitor engine. As you can see, color picker is different in this, and as you can see that if I just select the color picker, it gets gradually changed, so as far, and you can increase the brightness of that, and you can see that colorfulness is, if I reduce that, it will affect it after the reboot of the device. Now talking about font style is being there, and there is much more font. Icon shape is being there, and the overall UI feels super smooth. And you can do one thing also, if you're still watching the video, you can subscribe to this channel for this kind of videos delivered to you. And this is Wanda, be afraid of her. So this is the theme room I have already talked about. This is the extras option. Here is the game space comes out. If you love to play games, you can definitely play games because its game space is working finely. And this is the parallel space option. You can create unlimited parallel space above here from there. And this is the charging animation, partial screenshot, and higher space in games. But if I talk generally about in the systems option with the sweet parts, you can see that highest refresh rate is option there. If you click on this, you get the variable 60 to 120 Hz display option. There is a DC dimming option 2 available, and that is working fine. Here's the thermal profiles comes out, and if it's working or not, I will tell in the later part of the video. Here's the Mi Sound Enhancer, and this is the clear speaker option and use in your device. That is working also. So this is the systems options, and you can now see that here's the updater also present there, but in my recommendation, do flash manually. And if you are on the already extended version, and if there is an extended update so you can dirty flash over there also. Now there is languages and input support. You can see that there is not much app languages support is there, so you can have to be with not much more app languages support if you don't use app languages. Now this is the benchmark part that I would like to share to you all. First of all, I would like to talk about if the thermal profiles is working and how much is it performing in this device. So first of all, I took the results, and if you clearly see, this is the Slingshot Extreme test with a 2773 score, and this is the Slingshot Extreme another test with a 2767. And from here you can see that there is a reduced score because it is thermal profiles enabled score, and it does not performed as good as what this without any performance mode. And this is the Wildlife Extreme test without any performance mode. This is a genuinely on device run test. Now this time I have also ran that Antutu benchmark, and from here you can see that there is a 3,52,231 score, which is pretty good. 9,136 GPU scores that you can see so ever. And there is not more gain in temperature and not much battery drop, only of 3%, as you can see what here it is mentioned. You are also getting ANX camera support over this custom ROM. As you can see, there is the portrait mode option, photo mode, and the video, everything is working. I do use this for the recording purpose of the video, so that is working fine. And you are getting CPU throttling test, and as I shared that, here's the CPU throttling of 15 minutes for 92% its max performance, and max is 1,47,838 GIPS with 1500 threads for 15 minutes. And now this is what you can expect when you boot this ROM first time. So there is not much of the apps present over there. This is all over. There is a standby battery drop of 2 to 3%. This is normal in the custom ROM. And if you want the wallpapers that I uses in the video, so you can get into my Telegram channel from there. And now here you are also getting the Dolby Atmos support, and this is working smooth AF. What you can listen from here, sorry, but it is just damn good. When you uses earphone or sound system, it provides best class sound that you want to get in that. This is the Geekbench, but if I would like to share that I ran or not, I can't remember, but yeah, have I run? Yeah, this is the Geekbench score with, you can see that it performs better scores with both multi-core and single core, and it performs really good damn scores. You are not getting latest call dialer messaging and contacts application over there. You are only getting these options. And if you ask me about the HDR capabilities and 1080p or L1 support over there is not. So I would like to talk about these. So first of all, playback specification. And from now you can see that there is a spoofing of L1 certification is also been there, and HDR10 capabilities is available in this custom ROM. So that is good for those who watches damn Netflix. And next, talking about the device certification, it does pass or not? Yes, it does pass safety net. So you are good to go with the device certification of this device. Now, if you really did love and enjoying this video, then you can do one thing. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video. And if there any sort of suggestion for the channel and videos, then you can must tell me in the comment box. So I will gonna meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.